The other page layouts, when you go into new page, such as the article library, a blog, the book list, if we scroll on down, the file library, the link library, those type of pages do not come up with the same section editor screen that you saw in the Flex editor with the big white box and the toolbars at the top. These pages have a page wizard. I'm going to show you 3 of the pages, the file library, the link library page, and the blog page, just so you can see how the different wizards work. Let's start with the link library. So we'll give it a name. And we click Save. Again, all the pages start by giving it a page name and then saving it, and it brings us back to our list of pages. All new pages will be automatically put at the bottom of our page list, and we can use the organized pages to move them. So once you click on your page name, it'll open up to ready for the wizard. And we're going to start by clicking New Link. Type in the name of the site you're going to be going to, or in this case what the end user will be seeing, not the actual page address, just the name of the website they'll be going to. Give it a short description so they know what they will find when they get there. And then we need the actual address. So come out to the website, do a copy, come back to your wizard and click Paste. If you go out to the website and copy it off the website itself, you'll be sure to have the HTTP at the beginning. If you're typing in the URL yourself, please make sure you type in http:// and then type in the address. The link will not work if this information is missing. Make sure your check mark is here to activate, and then we'll click Save. I want to point out one step before I click Save, and that's up at the top, the display duration. If you want to provide a link that's only available certain times, certain marking periods, or a certain point in the year, you can use the start and end date. If you want to leave it up all year round, just leave this blank, and then we'll put the check mark here for activate and click Save. At that point, it closes your wizard, brings you back to your screen here, and you see your list of links. I'm going to use a little house button at the top. I could also click on the word summary to go back to my list of pages. The next page I'm going to create is a file library. So we clicked New Page, we find our page type, File Library, and give this file page a name. Notice the icons next to your page names. It gives you an idea of what page types they are. So the same thing applies as a link. We're going to open it up so we can begin to use the wizard. And it says click New File to get started. Just a little reminder there. So we're going to click New File and see what the wizard is asking for. Information I will need: a file title, what is this file called, what is the description of it, the author, if you can add your own name if it was created by you, or you can leave it blank, and then we're going to browse to find the file itself. This first file, in this case, is about teaching kids how to be safe when they're in a chat room. So I'm going to browse for the file now. So here's my PDF, and click Open. And there it's loaded, and I can just click Save. And there it is. I could continue doing this simply by saying New File, browse for another one, provide the information it's asking for, and click Sort. I'm going to go back to the house. I want to show you the blog page. Click New Page, Blog. What's the topic of this blog page? You can have more than one blog. You can use a blog page for a variety of reasons. Weekly class meeting. And click Save. Again, it comes to the bottom, has a little chat bubble. And here's my wizard. New posting. What's the title of the post? Time is not necessary, but this red triangle implies the date itself is required, but you don't have to have a time with it. Notice there's no block here for the actual posting, so in this case we do have to go to the next tabs at the top. So posting, and here is your editor. You have seen this before in the Flex Editor page, but you also have that same availability in the blog post. And you would continue entering your post. It can be about what you're going to learn about, what you have been learning about, a specific topic you've been discussing in class, whatever you feel to add to the information. And we click Save. So there's our new blog post with the date. Now let's go out to the actual website and see how these pages look. We're going to use the link at the top. It says View Website. And here are 3 new pages. Links for online safety. This is our link library page. This is what it appears on the screen. Notice there's no coloring, there's no pictures to add. It's just text. Resources about online safety was our file library page. Again, it's just text. There are no place to put pictures or graphics or change font color. And the weekly class meeting, our blog page, this will automatically appear on the right for you, and then your actual information would be here. Now keep in mind, when we were looking at the blog post, we saw the Flex Editor toolbar. We saw the section editor toolbars. So you're able to add pictures, audio, video, anything you want into that blog post. It does not have to just be text. If you would like to add pictures in color to your file library or link library, use a Flex Editor page and turn that into a file library or link library rather than using the wizards.